Dolls, so today is going to be another cozy autumn fall day where you get to spend the day with me. It's going to be so random because my life is so random. Nothing is ever really truly planned perfectly in life anyway. So I'm going to be doing running errands, I'm going to be cooking, I'm going to be making a full pasta meal. So I'm going to show you how I make that, and gonna be getting my chandelier hung. There's so many different things today. We'll just see how today goes. So let's go, dolls. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, get comfortable, get a blanket, and let's do this cozy fall vlog. Let's go, dolls.
My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up in heaven, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So I found my living room was very messy, and I want to kind of get it ready for tomorrow for the repairman because he's coming to get the chandelier hung up. So I just decided to do a little bit of calm cleaning and organising my living room. That got kind of messy. To you it might not be messy, but to me it's very messy. And I also wanted to just wind down and put my dogs in a very calm mood, and also me. So we're just doing a little bit of soft cleaning and just reorganising my living room area. I always love candles, and I'm about to light this nice candle that I've got at Bath and Body Works. I absolutely love it. It's called Paris Cafe, and it smells so strong. They say it's one of the strongest candles they have at Bath and Body Works, and I totally agree. On camera it kind of looks like it's pink, but it's brown. I promise you, it's a very gorgeous brown colour, and I just love it. It smells really good, and it puts me in such a cozy fall autumny mood. Makes me want to drink coffee too. And then after I put some soft music for my dogs, I put dog calming music. It works for me as well because it kind of makes me sleepy, and they love it. Like, they fall asleep instantly when I play this music on my laptop. I find it on YouTube and they just are knocked out very quickly. Raven is resisting, but as you can see, she is now about to be knocked out. She's fighting sleep, and now she's in a cozy autumny dog mood, and there we go, she's asleep. So dolls, it's getting a bit like the sun is setting, so I want to do some cooking. I'm gonna take you dolls along with me to make some pasta. It's gorgeous. Like, I love making full stuff. Like, I like the pasta that I'm about to make because the shells are green, they're like all the full leafy colors. So yeah, let's make that, and before it gets too dark, I'm gonna do like some light cooking, and yeah, let's go. So first, before I start cooking, I love to grab a snack. I love to snack on something as I'm cooking. I don't know if you'd like to do that as well, but I love doing that. And today's snack is going to be these peanuts, Planters peanuts. I just love to snack on something as I'm cooking because I'm usually hungry when I'm cooking, so I love to grab a snack and fill me up so I don't need to eat that much food once I'm done cooking. These are so delicious. And then now I'm going to start cooking. Today we're making pasta, and I love these colours because to me they remind me of fall colours, the greens and the oranges. So I wanted to make something like a fall pasta. And it's just the usual pasta I eat, but just full. And I'm going to be using turkey meat instead of regular meat, instead of regular beef. I'm going to be using turkey because we want to be a bit healthy. I love Prego sauce, it's so delicious. My pasta is the best pasta you would ever try. If you are lucky to try my pasta, you would not want to try any other pasta. Like, I love my pasta. Olive oil is a must, especially extra virgin olive oil, because I feel like you need to have the best oil when you cook. You don't want stuff very greasy and nasty, so I always pay extra for virgin oil. It's just the best, and I don't use that much of it, by the way, so it's a nice thing to use. Now my pasta is boiling, like my water is boiled. I put too much pasta. I put way too much. So it's time to season. I love onion powder, and I also love garlic. I forgot to put garlic in this, but I love onion powder. It's so delicious. I put a lot of curry powder, cumin, and yeah, Jamaican curry powder is a must. Now time for the sauce. So the meat is all done, and now I put the sauce in. I love this sauce. It's so thick and just creamy tasting, and it just makes your spaghetti or pasta, whatever, taste so good. And it smells really good as well. So I like the Prego meat sauce, if you're wondering what I'm using. So here's my cooking secret. I love adding honey in pretty much all my pastas and spaghettis. It gives it like a little kick of sweetness. I just love it. So now we're done cooking. I'm turning everything off. And I got this from Home Goods. I've been waiting for so long to use this, and I'm definitely going to be using it all for soups and pastas. It's such a nice autumn cute girly pink plate or bowl, I'll say bowl, and I just can't wait to be using it all season. It's just so perfect and so cute. I love it. And my pasta's all hot and ready for it. I would never microwave with this. I don't want to burn the house down, but it's just nice for aesthetics and it looks so pretty. And my pasta is done. Ready to eat. Time to chow down. This is like my favorite moment eating. I love it. So my food was good. I enjoyed it. I loved my cooking. I'm gonna go and get some mail and kind of do like a little unboxing, and then I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna show you like what I got from the mail, like from the mailbox, because I have some packages that came in, and I just want to show you, dolls. So dolls, so the sun is gorgeous, by the way. I just want to have coffee. I just finished on the phone with my friend Chari. You dolls gonna see her soon. Like, it's been long coming. Like, we've been friends for so long, and it's gonna be, we've been planning to do like videos together, so I can't wait for her to be in my vlogs and likewise me in her vlogs. But I've got bad news. So the maintenance worker, the maintenance man that's meant to hang up my chandelier today, he has an emergency, family emergency, so he will not be able to do it today. So I like literally waited at home all day for that to be done. So I'm really sad about that, and it's like, I thought by the end of this vlog I'll end it with the chandelier, and I guess not. So I'm gonna I have mail that I want to show you, dolls, so we might do that, because I really do want to still post this vlog and I still want to give you some form of content. So I'm really sad. It's like every day this gets prolonged, the chandelier being hung. It's like, I want it up here already. I want my chandelier up here. I just want to cry because I thought today we were legit getting it done, and I ordered so much ready for it. Like I literally not overnighted, I paid for it on Amazon today, the bulbs, so they all arrived today on time, and then this happens. So I ended up getting something I didn't want just to make sure it gets here today, and then this happens. It's so sad. Like, I hate when things like that happen. But anyway, I guess it's for a reason. But there's no reason because my chandelier is lying here on the floor and it needs to be hung. But yeah, I could sit here and talk to dolls all day. I'm starting to feel a little bit better after talking to my friend on the phone, Chari. It's like I feel a little bit more, like, just starting to feel like normal again. But to just even get ready for today was so hard. I am just been so unwell all week, but I'm trying to rebuild myself. The sun is gorgeous. Like, I feel so at peace in my apartment. The sun is beautiful. I get good light. I love it in apartment. By the way, it's messy. I love my apartment during golden hour. Look at just the, I love this. I just want this to drape a little bit longer. But look at my chandelier just sitting here waiting to be hung. Imagine how gorgeous this is going to look in golden hour. Already just sitting there just looks so magical and dreamy. I have over here in the corner some things to show you. So this is going to be the, like, this is going to go up here. Oh my god, I can't wait. I don't know how it's going to get hung. Like, I don't even know how they put this in the wall, but I don't know if they glue it. I really don't know how it goes up there, but it's going up there. And I have the chandelier, her looking so gorgeous. Can you believe I put all that together? It's still not done. They've got to do all the electrical wiring parts, and he has to like add the little bulbs. So the bulbs, I didn't know that this doesn't come with a bulb, so now I have to order the bulbs, which is coming today. Like, I literally ordered it to come and arrive today. So I ordered it today and it's coming today. That's how fast they need it. So yeah, I didn't know it didn't come with bulbs. I'm really upset about that. And then let me show you something else. I ordered these for the flower wall that's going to go right here, and I didn't know they're so small. They are so tiny, but they look so gorgeous and cute. Look at this. How gorgeous and cute is this? They're so tiny though, but I love them. I just wish they were bigger. I thought they were bigger. Read measurements, dolls, read measurements. So yeah, my table's a mess, candles everywhere, but this beauty will be hung today, and I can't wait. They're just sitting there, not done. And then look at the gorgeous lighting. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it in here, dolls. It's gorgeous. Just my chandelier. We have to wait longer, but the sun is just so gorgeous. I love it. It's beautiful. So dolls, the stuff is here. I went to the mailbox. I just got in now. I'm going to show you what came in. It's a surprise to me because I really don't know how so many orders coming in. So we're going to unbox it together, and I'm just going to show you what came in. This package we have, I got another coffee table book, Dior, because I have Chanel, to go with my Chanel book, and it's so cute. It's a pale pink because I didn't want it all to be the same shade of pink, and I love it because it's just so fancy. It's cute, and I got it on sale on Amazon. Excuse my broken nail. That rhymes. I got it on sale. Excuse my broken nail. And this is gonna go really nicely with my Chanel book. I just love it. Love, love, love it. Could sit on top. So I have Dior and I have Chanel, and look. Oh, so beautiful. Dior and Chanel. I think that's going to go on the bottom because you see it's kind of sticking out. And I can just put my, oh, love, 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 like this. It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I'm just thinking of having one of these on top instead of like a lot of them, and just a lot of little ones on here like this, or like this. I don't know, like I'm gonna mess around with all my holiday stuff, like my fall stuff. It's not gonna just stay the same all round, so I'm gonna mess around with it, but I love it. Dior and Chanel, and there's more coming in. I have more pink coffee table books coming in. It just looks so gorgeous. I love that. I got it on Amazon. That Chanel and Dior, cute package. I don't know what's inside here. I really don't know what came inside here. Oh, Johnson & Johnson Q-tips came in. So that's that. So I have a lot of them. You can't have enough. Like I need a lot of them. So that's those. The package. I don't know what this is, dolls. It better be something good. It's just like medicine. So that's that. And I have some other packages, but they've not arrived yet. So that's that little mini haul in this video. So what a day it's been. I didn't get to hang the chandelier and show you dolls that, but this vlog will still go up. On that note, I'm going to end the day now. It's been such a long, busy day, and I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, give it a big fat thumbs up. I see you dolls are enjoying these cozy autumn fall videos, vlogs every day. I love it. Every now and then, not every day, every other day. How frequent do you want me to make these videos? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you dolls in my next vlog. Smooches, bye.
Life could be a dream. Ding dong, plans would come true. Ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, ding dong, a-lang, a-lang, a-lang. Boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Ding dong, a-lang, a-lang, a-lang. Boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, life, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, ding dong, plans would come true. Ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far.